Get day mates. Forget the boring brochures and dusty guidebooks because you're about to shake your bonbon in the land down under.
This is Stephanie, aka Eslo, and Damon, aka Davy Martin, coming at you again, and we are here to take you on a wild ride through Sydney, Australia. This ain't your typical tourist trap itinerary. We're talking 5 days of unforgettable escapades, jaw-dropping sights, and enough star power to rival the Hemsworth brothers. Welcome to Explore Itinerary's channel.
Bring your sense of adventure and get ready to explore Sydney. It's time to create memories that will last a lifetime. Let's make this trip unforgettable.
Oops, watch out for that cheeky kangaroo trying to steal your iced Vovo.
Hold on, Eslo. Gotta make sure we hit Sydney at the right time of year. I've heard whispers about crazy festivals and celebrations.
First off, let's talk about the Sydney summer. Peak months are December to February. Imagine celebrating New Year's Eve with the most epic fireworks display over the Sydney Harbour. It's like being in a music video, but with more pyrotechnics.
If you're more of an autumn adventurer, March to May is your time. The weather's perfect, and you can catch the vivid Sydney Festival. The entire city lights up with mesmerizing light installations and projections. It's like stepping into a futuristic wonderland.
Spring and autumn seem to be the sweet spot for the best travel. Expect warm days, perfect for exploring hidden coves and festivals galore.
Before we jump into your itinerary, let's talk logistics. The best way to get around Sydney is by using the public transportation system, which includes trains, buses, and ferries.
That's right, Davey. Also, get an Opal card, which allows you to easily tap on and off at any station. Plus, it's a great way to save some money and travel like a local.
All right, let's get this party started. Here's your day one itinerary for Sydney, Australia, a city that's as lively and energetic as a pub full of Aussies cheering on their favorite footy team.
Head to Circular Quay. From here, you can easily walk to the Sydney Opera House. Trust us, this place is a masterpiece. Sydney's Opera House is a marvel of modern architecture with its white, shell-like sails dominating the harbour skyline.
Inside, multiple performance venues host everything from world-class operas to rock concerts, making it a vibrant hub for Sydney's cultural scene.
Opened in 1973, it's become an iconic landmark and a must-see for any visitor to the dazzling city. Take a guided tour to learn all about its fascinating history and architecture. Afterward, wander through the Royal Botanic Garden, located right next door. The views of the harbour are stunning. The garden is within walking distance of both the Opera House and Circular Quay.
The Royal Botanic Garden, established in 1816, is one of the oldest scientific institutions in Australia. Its historical significance and beautiful landscaping make it a landmark woven into the fabric of Sydney.
With its diverse plant collections, stunning views of the harbour, and peaceful atmosphere, it is a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world.
Hop on a ferry from Circular Quay to Taronga Zoo. The ferry ride itself is a must-do experience, offering cool ocean breezes, dazzling cityscapes, and picture-perfect views of iconic landmarks.
The Taronga Zoo features some incredible Aussie species facing conservation challenges. This is your chance to get up close and personal with wildlife such as the southern coral reef frog, the koala, platypus, bilby, and the wombat.
Here's an insider explorer tip. The zoo's location offers spectacular views, looking back towards the city too, so get out your cameras and click.
Rise and shine, travelers. Day 2 of our Sydney adventure starts now. Today we're heading to some of the city's most iconic landmarks and a few hidden gems, so get ready to explore like a true superstar.
First up, we're heading to Bondi Beach, one of the most famous beaches in the world. It's like the main stage of Sydney, where surfers and beachgoers come to soak up the sun and catch some waves. For millennia, the beach has held cultural significance for Aboriginal Australians. In the modern age, Bondi Beach has been featured in countless movies and TV shows, becoming a globally recognized symbol of Australia's beach lifestyle.
Bondi Beach hosts various events throughout the year, such as beach volleyball competitions and open-air cinema screenings, offering something for everyone. To get here, You can take a train to Bondi Junction Station and then catch a bus to the beach.
Take a leisurely stroll along the Bondi to Kuji Coastal Walk, which offers breathtaking views of the ocean and cliffs. It's like a scenic tour, but with built-in vitamin D.
Afterwards, we're heading to the trendy neighborhood of Surrey Hills, where you'll find some of the city's best street art and independent boutiques. It's like a backstage pass to Sydney's creative scene, where you can discover up-and-coming artists and designers.
To get to Surrey Hills, you can take a train to Central Station and then walk or take a bus. The street art and boutiques are free to explore, so you can soak up the creative vibes without spending a dime.
After that, head to the historic Rocks District. Take a train to Circular Quay Station. Step back in time and explore some of Sydney's oldest buildings and cobblestone streets. The Rocks is Sydney's oldest neighborhood, dating back to the arrival of the First Fleet in 1788. It was the landing site for the British convicts who established the colony of New South Wales.
Join in on a Rocks walking tour. This is a great history lesson, but with more charm and character than we ever got in school. The area's history is intertwined with convict life as the sandstone buildings originally served as warehouses, pubs, and homes. The Rocks underwent significant transformation and restoration efforts in the latter half of the 20th century to preserve its historical character.
Before we kickstart Day 3, we suggest you stretch first. You'll want to stay loose.
First up, we're heading to the famous Sydney Harbour Bridge, one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. It's like the ultimate VIP experience, where you can climb to the top of the bridge and take in breathtaking views of the harbour and city skyline. Be sure to get your tickets in advance.
Sydney Harbour Bridge, nicknamed the coat hanger for its iconic arch design, is the world's tallest steel arch bridge. To get here, take a train to Circular Quay Station and then walk to the bridge.
After that climb, we're heading to the nearby Museum of Contemporary Art to check out some of the city's most cutting-edge art installations and exhibitions. It is an insider's sneak peek into Sydney's creative scene, where you can discover emerging artists and designers. Admission to the museum is free, so you can get out of the sun and explore without breaking the bank.
Next, we're heading to the bustling Darling Harbour. Darling Harbour is a vibrant waterfront precinct located right next to Sydney's Central Business District. Here you can explore some of the city's best shops, restaurants, and attractions. It's like a playground for adults, where you can ride the star of the show Ferris wheel, visit the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, or take a stroll through the Chinese Garden of Friendship.
To get to Darling Harbour, you can take a train to Town Hall Station and then walk to the harbour. If you are interested in a harbour cruise, this is the best place to book your voyage.
It's Day 4, and we're diving even deeper into Australia's stunning landscapes and unique experiences. Get ready for another unforgettable day.
Today we are heading out of Sydney to explore the natural wonders of the region. Take the Blue Mountains line train from Central Station to Katoomba Station. Our first stop, Scenic World, is a short 3 kilometers from the station. Grab an Uber or hop on the Blue Mountains Explorer bus to get to the park.
Scenic World is like Mother Nature's answer to your epic stage backdrops. This is a chance to explore the World Heritage listed UNESCO Blue Mountains and the Jameson Valley. Ride the world's steepest railway. This is scarier than facing Simon Cowell. Then float above the rainforest treetops on the Skyway or glide past ancient sandstone cliffs on the Cableway.
This view can't be beat.
Next, strut over to the Three Sisters Rock Formation, which is free to explore. Access the formation from the walking tracks leading to the Echo Point lookout from within the park. Or better yet, hop back on the Explorer bus to get to the road leading to the Three Sisters Rock Formation. Legend says they are three sisters turned to stone. Davy, no need to serenade them, they've been waiting a long time, but not for your love songs.
Jump back on the Explorer bus and head to Wentworth Falls. An amazing 45-minute hike gets you up close to this stunner. Don't worry about messing up your hair SLO. The Misty Spray will give you that fresh out of music video look. Alright Globetrotters, let's wrap up this Sydney extravaganza with a bang on Day 5. Grab an Uber to Manly Beach.
Manly Beach is for the active beachgoer who wants to catch waves, soak up the vibrant atmosphere, and enjoy easy access from the city. Rent surfboards and catch some waves. Davy Martin, those hip movements might finally come in handy.
Slow, don't worry if you fall. The water's just trying to get a piece of you.
After surfing, take a stroll to Shelly Beach. It's quieter than an acoustic set. Shelly Beach is for the nature lover who seeks a tranquil escape with stunning sunsets, a vibrant underwater world, and a touch of history.
This is perfect for snorkeling as the area is designated as a marine reserve. Watch out for fish trying to photobomb your underwater selfies.
Unlike most Sydney beaches facing east, Shelly Beach faces west. This translates to stunning sunset views, a rarity for Sydney beaches, making it a romantic escape for couples.
Take a stroll along the Manly Scenic Walkway. Don't forget your water bottle. This trek's longer than your Grammy acceptance speeches. This 10-kilometer scenic journey takes in some of the most beautiful parts of Sydney Harbour, including beaches, bays, and national parks.
Finish the day with a sunset kayak tour in Middle Harbour. Keep an eye out for dolphins. They're better backup dancers than your usual crew.
There you have it, EI viewers. 5 days of Sydney shenanigans that'll make your world tours look like small-town gigs.
Hopefully after this trip, it'll leave you with a whole ton of new memories from this land of sun-kissed beaches and beautiful Aboriginal art.
From hopping with the kangaroos to conquering the Harbour Bridge, Sydney has offered a whirlwind adventure unlike any other.
But Sydney's charm goes beyond the iconic sights. It's the friendly faces you meet along the way, the laid-back Aussie vibes, and the feeling that anything is possible in this sun-drenched city. So whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a first-time traveler, Sydney has something to offer everyone.
Remember, half the fun of any vacation is in the planning phase. Do your research and plan your itinerary in advance. Your support means the world to us, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, the world is waiting for you. Until next time.